Chris, new law just passed, the Pregnant Workers Fairness Act. Tell us a little bit about what that changes and what rights that gives to pregnant employees.
Sure. The reason why this law came into existence is because it was badly needed. What this law does is fill a gap that previously existed in state and federal law. Whether you're looking at the New Jersey law against discrimination or the Americans with Disabilities Act, the beauty of this law is it takes into account the reality of a situation that pregnant women encounter physical, mental, emotional issues that should be and could be easily accommodated.
How is this different from the reasonable accommodation analysis for someone with a disability?
In order to qualify, you need to show that you have a disability under the prior laws that would apply. The beauty of this law is that it now is acknowledging the fact that once you are able to show an employer or tell an employer that you are pregnant, that you become eligible immediately for certain accommodations that you require. And that could be something as simple as bathroom breaks. It could be doctor's appointments, right? Being able to schedule around that. And it could be things that are require a little bit more work on the employer's end that doesn't rise to the level of undue hardship that is appropriate for that specific employee's circumstances and situation.
And this is, as you said before, so badly needed, because for years we would have pregnant clients call us, say they felt they were being squeezed out at work, that they weren't being given any accommodations. And unless we could prove that they needed the accommodation because of a separate medical condition that maybe was related to the pregnancy, they weren't really entitled to anything. So I'm glad to see this, and I'm sure it won't be long before we're pursuing claims for clients that have these issues.
Absolutely. And to be clear, we've been able to bring these claims successfully in the past, and we'll continue to. This adds to our arsenal for what we're able to do for clients who come to us with facts that aren't as clear cut, right? And but where in reality, an employer could have, should have, but failed to accommodate a pregnant woman who needed some appropriate accommodation.
The last really great important thing about this law is, unlike other laws where we have to tell people, oh, it only benefits you if you live in this state or only benefits you if you work in that state, this is nationwide. So every employee in the country that's covered under the law now has these rights and is granted reasonable accommodations.